Hey everybody, welcome back. It's been a long time, but today I've got my Stitch Fix box. I did peek online once it shipped, but I haven't opened this one yet, so here we go. Okay, with everyone, you do get your return envelope and your price sheet and your hello. So let's take a quick peek at this. My stylist is Lisa again, and she says, hello there, Sandy. It's great to be styling another fix for you today. Thanksgiving is just around the corner. It's past. And I can almost smell the turkey. I see you are looking for a pair of gray jeans. I couldn't decide what pair to send, so you're getting two options. I know the Lila Ryan brand has fit well in the past, and this pair offers a bit lighter tone, while the Liverpool jeans are a true charcoal like you requested. Either pair will look great with the black tee and this graphic cardi by Madison Lily. You can also pair them with the Market and Spruce knit top for a trendy monochromatic look. But, what do you think of the edgy shark bite hemline? And with that one, I've said no thank you repeatedly on the shark bite. I do not like the shark bite hemline. I don't think it looks good on my my body, so don't think it's flattering at all. Buffalo plaid is a fall must have. I am so sorry I came up empty-handed on the orange cardigan again. Thankful for clients like you, best Lisa. I've been asking for an orange cardigan for a while, like a burnt orange. So striking out on that one, but we'll see on the rest. Oh, this is a big bundle, and it's a big box this time. There are the items, and there's the other side. Okay, first up, these are the Liverpool. These are really a good stretch. Nice leg on those. Nice color. Just a plain design, but Liverpool has a tendency of just being a very comfortable pant. So there's the back. Those are nice. And the second pair of pants is the Lila Ryan. And these have a nice stretch as well. They're just a little bit lighter. Got a nice bottom. I probably won't get both of them because I don't need two gray bottoms, but it'll just depend on what the rest of the box is like. This is so nice. This is by Absolutely, and it is so soft. And it's got a nice stretch to it. Let's leave this way. And then it's just a little, it's pretty thick. I usually wear little camis underneath, but I don't think you would have to with this one if you didn't like to, but that's really pretty. Next up, this is by Market and Spruce, and this is the shark bite bottom. It's kind of a mixed media. It's a heathered gray, a nice sleeve there. The shark bite isn't terrible. Here's the back. The back is just, it's a little bit ribbed. And hopefully it doesn't look like it's see-through, so. And last up, and this is pretty cozy. And this is by Madison Lily. I've seen this on a couple other kind of reveals lately. And there's the cardigan. Step back here so you can see the whole thing. All right, those are my pieces, and I'll pause and come back with a little bit of the try-on. All right, here's that nice cardigan, and I've got the Lila Ryan pants on. It's a real nice cardigan with pockets. I really like that. And then the shark bite top underneath. Once again, I just don't think all this extra fabric on the bottom is flattering. So there's the pants underneath. They do have back pockets, but no front pockets. But they fit really nice. All right, and here is that plaid top. A little tight in the bust. And then the Liverpool pants. And they have both front and back pocket. And these pants have a nice jegging fit as well. So both pants are kind of more of a jegging style than an actual jean, which is just fine because I am smaller on the bottom than I am on top. So this has got that nice button up here so that you can kind of go as you wish as far as that. And there's the back. And the front again. And I do think I would like this just a size bigger. I don't, it's super, super comfortable. But we shall see. All right, that's it. Let me get the prices so I can let everybody know about those. Okay. The Lila Ryan Liza skinny jean in a dark gray is $98. Whew. The Absolutely Lish button-down knit top in red, this one, is $36. So that's a great price. The Liverpool Kaylee skinny jean in dark gray is $78. So $20 cheaper. The Markin & Spruce Ashford ribbed back knit top in dark gray, that is the shark bite top, is $48. And the Madison Lily Krogan open cardigan in olive is $48. The Stylist Pick subtotal is $308. The buy all discount of 25% takes off $77 for the subtotal of $231. I do have the Style Pass, so I don't pay that styling fee. So then it just comes down to what I want. I'm not going to buy it all just because there's two pair of similar pants, and I don't care for the shark bite tops, so I wouldn't get that. I do have a thread up box coming, and I also have my fashion box coming. So I might wait to see what kind of bottoms are in those, just to see if I need these Liverpool. They are really nice and comfortable, so I may choose to go with those and the cardigan, and that would be $126. So we'll see. That's still quite a bit. And if I just got the cardigan and this top, it'd be $84. So so we'll see. I know that I have a plaid top coming in my fashion box, and I did get a red and black plaid in my trunk club, my last trunk club. So this isn't a must-have, but at only $36, if I can size up one just for the fit, with the buttons on the bust, then I may very well do that. So and it's possible that I would just get this. So we'll see what they have for exchanges. All right, thanks so much for watching. Please do hit that subscribe button and give me a like, and I will do the same for your videos. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Hey, forgot to add just something there. Hey, if you're interested in Stitch Fix, if you want to give it a try, there's that box again. And the price sheet. I do have my referral link down at the bottom. I believe that there's something in it for both you and I, that you might get that first box, the styling fee waive. So hey, there's no strings attached. Give them a chance. You can set your price range that you like. You see, I did get a few of my tops that were $30 and $40, so you can set a lower price range, and you can set a lower price range for your bottoms too. So follow that link in the description box below. I will update when I decide what I'm going to keep from this box, but let me know what you think.